Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
The plastids. Okay, nature. They are present only in the plant cell. While we did difference between plant cell and animal cell, I told you plastids are present only in the plant cell. They have their own DNA and ribosomes, just like mitochondria. So mitochondria and plastid, they have their own DNA and ribosomes. They are of two types. First is chromoplast or the colored plastic, chromoplast, and the second one is leucoplast, which are white or colorless. The plastid which contain the green pigment are called chloroplast. The green pigment is chlorophyll. They are called chloroplast. So they are one type of chloroplast, actually are one type of chromoplast. The plastid contains numerous layers of grana embedded in the matrix called stroma. So how to draw plastid? Okay, double layer membrane. Then inside there are grana. Okay. This is a chloroplast. Okay, and this the jelly-like matrix is the stroma, while these are grana. So it contains layers which are called grana, which are embedded in matrix, which is called stroma. This is a typical diagram of plastid. Look at this figure. The plastid, the chloroplast. This is how it looks like. The function: leucoplast, okay, which were colorless or white in color, they are found in unexposed cells, which are not exposed, like inside the stem or inside the big branches or in the roots. So they store. The function is storage. They store starch, oil, protein, and other important substances for the plant. Next is the chromoplast. They provide color to different parts of the plant, like fruits and flowers. So if the flowers are colorful, the insects are attracted towards it, and this helps in the pollination. Similarly, if fruits are attractive, animals are attracted towards it. They eat the fruit and they help in seed dispersal. So to attract insects and animals for pollination and seed dispersal. Next is chloroplast, which are called the kitchen of the cell. They contain the green color pigment, which is called the chlorophyll. This chlorophyll plays a very important role in photosynthesis, as it traps the solar energy, and this energy is utilized to prepare the food. So that is why chloroplasts are called the kitchen of the cell, because the process of photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. These are the three important functions of three different types of plastids. Next is vacuole, another important organelle. It is membrane-bound sac for storage of solid or liquid content. In animal cells, vacuoles are small sized, while in plant cells they are large, and they sometimes occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. Function: in plant cells, vacuoles are full of cell sap, that is the liquid material with all the nutrients dissolved in it. So it provides turgidity and rigidity to the cell. If the liquid is filled up inside, the cell will be rigid. Second important function is storage of important substances like amino acids, sugars, organic acids, fatty acids. All these substances which are important for the cells, they are stored in the vacuoles. Next, in unicellular organisms like amoeba, the food vacuole contains food items which is consumed by it, and it performs digestion. Digestion takes place, nutrients are absorbed, and the remaining part of the food is ejected out. So in amoeba, the food vacuole helps in providing nutrition to the cell. Then in some other unicellular organisms, vacuole play an important role in expelling out excess water and waste, and such vacuoles are called contractile vacuoles. So this was all about vacuoles. Next is dictyosomes. These are very tiny cell organelles. In plant cell Golgi bodies, they are formed by separate units. Okay, these separate units are sometimes called dictyosomes. Golgi plant cells sometimes do not contain Golgi apparatus, the complex. They contain tiny dictyosomes. The function is same as Golgi apparatus. Next is the centrosome. It is a small organelle present near the nucleus in animal cell, only in animal cell. They are made up of cylindrical figures called centrioles. They play important role in cell division. Look at this. They are present near the nucleus, and this is the enlarged diagram. This is how they look. They are the cylindrical figures. Collectively they are called centrosomes. It consists of 2 centrioles. So they are cylindrical, placed, one is placed horizontal, the other is vertical. So when the cell is about to divide, the centrosomes are the one which initiate the process, and they are present only in animal cell.